Okay children, let's continue our lesson Holi in the Jungle. So we have seen how the Foxy was very interested playing Holi. So what did he do? He took shoe polish, red paint into a box. Who saw that? Our bear Bhima saw that. Okay, he did not like. What did he keep? Banana peels, some mud. Mud, you understand children? As I said, this burda. Okay, banana peel. Normally when we eat banana, the outer skin, what is called peel. What we call that? Peel. Okay, banana peels. So all that he gathered, banana peels, mud and shoe polish, red paint, everything he kept in a box. Bhima did not like this. He did not, because it's not good, no? We play Holi with colors, but fooling people with these dirty things, is it good? So Foxy thought this idea, but Bhima did not. See, he did not like. So what did Bhima do? We'll see. Foxy asked Bhima to help him carry the box. Foxy asked whom? Bhima. What to do? Please help me to carry this box. I am unable to. Who asked? Our Foxy asked to our bear Bhima. Please help. And he helped, because always we should help people. Our bear was really good. So it helped Foxy to carry the box. They stopped under a tree. What did Bhima do? Both of them were walking, they were tired. They stopped under a tree. They took rest. For some time they took rest. That time Bhima quietly threw away everything that was in the box. Bhima was carrying that that total box. What did she keep in that? Paint, banana peel and some mud, shoe polish, all that. What did she? Bhima threw away. Threw means totally from that inside it emptied and somewhere it threw. Okay, nicely cleaned that box. And in that box he put flowers and leaves into the box. What did he do? He put flowers and leaves. Okay children, see how nice our Bhima is, Bhima bear. So I will read this para for you once again. Listen carefully. Foxy the fox was singing, let us play Holi, let us play Holi, let us play a trick on Holi. So from the song only we understand he was some kind of mischief. Bhima the bear saw Foxy put shoe polish and red paint into a box. He saw Foxy put his banana peels and some mud too. Bhima did not like this. Foxy asked Bhima to help him carry the box. They stopped under a tree. Bhima quietly threw away everything that was in the box. Then he put flowers and leaves into the box. See, Bhima threw all the dirty things and what did he put? Flowers and leaves. Okay. They came to the middle of the jungle. Children, please turn your page to 26. See here. Where did they come? They came to the middle of the jungle. Okay. Foxy began to sing when they came to the middle of the jungle. So where everybody can hear them. Foxy, our fox, started singing. Come, come everyone, let us play Holi, let us play, have fun. So Foxy again started singing. Come, come everyone. Why did she sing, children? To call all other animals. Come, 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 come everyone. Let us play Holi, let us have fun. Let us play Holi, let us have fun. Who sang that? Foxy. Okay. Rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys and deer came running. Listening to that, when Foxy called everybody, come, come, we'll play Holi, they were all very happy. So who all came, children? Rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys and deer. See, who came? All these animals, rabbits, monkey, bears and elephants and monkeys and also deer came running to play Holi with them. Foxy opened the box. What did Foxy do? Open the box which she brought with her. He found flowers and leaves. All the animals clapped and danced. Foxy was puzzled. So when he opened the box, all the animals nicely they clapped. What was there inside? Flowers and leaves. With that they are going to play Holi because they are animal. They can't play with colors. So what did with Bhima, what did it filled with? Filled with flowers and leaves. See how nice it is. They won't spoil their body. What we do when we put, that's why children, we should never put colors on animals. This is also one lesson because we can clean our body. But what they'll do, how they'll clean themselves, we should not. So that colors may create bacteria or it may germs, it may create in them. So we must never put colors on the animals. Even at some pet animals, okay, somehow you will clean them. But even it is not good. Never use colors on animals because you can clean yourself but they can't clean themselves. Okay, so never use. That's also a lesson you learn. Never. If someone is throwing also, you said no. See, children, they will run in the street on the streets and they will throw colors on dogs, street dogs, cats. It's not good. We should never throw. Okay. Now, Foxy was really shocked. Puzzle means children here don't know how this unable. He did not understand how this eye kept shoe polish, red paint, banana peels and what else did he use and that mud. But how these flowers and leaves came, he was thinking, he was surprised. But all other animals, they liked it. So they clapped and danced. So that the Holi, they liked this. Okay, will they be happy when they see they would see this mud shoe polish? No, what the bear did is right. That used flowers and leaves. Okay, children. Bhima smiled. They played Holi with flowers and leaves. Holi was so much fun. So Bhima smiled. Understood? So Bhima, when Foxy was shocked. What is this? How? When he opened the box, Bhima smiled because he only changed all that. So after that, everybody together they played Holi with what? With flowers and leaves. And everybody enjoyed. Holi was so much fun. They enjoyed playing Holi together. See, the lesson here gets finished. So what is the name of the lesson, children? Holi in the jungle. We have seen how Fox tried to fool the animals. But who saved? Our bear? Bhima saved. Is it? Did you like the story, children? How it was? Nice? Did you enjoy? You have to, if you have to listen carefully and to say this story to your friends, mummy, papa, grandmother, grandfather, whoever there, you have to say what the story you listened to today. What is the story name? Holi in the jungle. Who were the characters, children? The fox and the bear. What is the fox name? Foxy. What was the bear name? Bhima. What did Foxy do, children? Foxy thought of playing Holi, but how? By playing a trick. Upon whom? Upon all the animals. So what did he do? The Foxy took a box and in that shoe polish, red paint, banana peels and mud he kept in that. Then who saw that? Bhima bear saw that. He did not like. So when Foxy told Bhima, please help help me to carry this box? He agreed. So when they were going in the jungle, they took rest under a tree. That time, what did Bhima do? Bhima threw all the dirty things and he filled the box with flowers and leaves. Not bananas, I am sorry, flowers and leaves. And when they reached middle of the jungle, again Foxy started singing, "Come, come everyone, let's play Holi, let's enjoy." So everybody came. Who came? Elephants, monkeys, deer, and again bears, again rabbits, all others came. Okay, and what did they do? They played there. When the fox opened the box, what was there? Flowers and leaves. He was shocked. How come? He did not understand how I put all the other things and how flowers and leaves came. But Bhima smiled, he understood. But everybody, they after seeing that flowers and leaves, they all clapped and danced. They liked because it was good to play. Okay. So what we understand? We must never fool our friends. Understand? So the theme of this poem was, what was the theme, children? Theme was celebration. What were they all celebrating? They were celebrating Holi. Fun. Celebration means what we understand? Having fun. Yes. So on Holi how we have? So here also in the jungle, who enjoyed here? Fox and Bhima and other animals. Okay. Okay. Read the lesson with the help of your parents. Okay, children. And read, understand, and now we are going to see the sight words, children. Okay. What are sight words? What are the words we came across here? Hard words. What in the lesson regularly? Okay. See here. P-U-T, put. P-U-T, put. S-H-O-E, shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. See, T-H-R-E-W, through. T-H-R-E-W, through. T-H-R-E-W, through. So these are some words you have to just pronounce with me. Okay, repeat after me. P-U-T, put. P-U-T, put. P-U-T, put. S-H-O-E, shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. T-H-R-E-W, true. T-H-R-E-W, true. T-H-R-E-W, true. T-H-R-E-W, true. Okay, children, learn this word spellings, okay, and read the lesson. I will read it for you once again, okay. Holi in the jungle. Look into your book and put your fingers, okay. Foxy, the fox, was singing. Let us play Holi. Let us play Holi. Let us play a trick on Holi. Bhima, the bear, saw Foxy put shoe polish and red paint into a box. He saw Foxy put in banana peels and some mud too. Bhima did not like this. Foxy asked Bhima to help him carry the box. They stopped under a tree. Bhima quietly threw away everything that was in the box. Then he put flowers and leaves into the box. They came to the middle of the jungle. Foxy began to sing, "Come, come everyone, let us play Holi, let us have fun." Rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys and deer came running. Foxy opened the box. He found flowers and leaves. All the animals clapped and danced. Foxy was puzzled. Bhima smiled. They play Holi with flowers and leaves. Holi was so much fun. Who has written, children, this lesson? Vinita Krishna. Remember, this lesson was by Vinita Krishna. Okay? Read thoroughly till I come again with another part of this lesson. Okay, children? Till that time, read properly.